To allow or deny install unknown apps from NFC in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find apps, and then tap apps. Next tap apps more icon or three dot icon, select special access, and then scroll down the screen, tap install unknown apps, scroll down the screen, find NFC, and then on NFC tap switch until blue to allow NFC to install unknown apps, or tap switch until gray to deny. Tap switch until blue to allow, or tap switch until gray to deny NFC to install unknown app. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.